Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use less data using TikTok. I'm absolutely sure most of you are big TikTok fans, but the way it drinks your data is abnormal. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use half the data you use on TikTok for watching TikTok videos. So without wasting time, let's go to the app TikTok. It's right here. Let me open it.
Click OK.
So after that, you come to profile. It's right here. Profile is right down here. So let me tap it. After profile, you come at the top here. You come at the top here where you see three dashes. Right there. And then from there you come to data saver. It's right here. So you tap on that. Then initially when you tap it on, you'll find that off, but you come and turn it on like that. You turn this on, you make sure it is in that state. Then after that, you can go back to your TikTok account and enjoy your video. So if today happens to be your first time here, kindly subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out whenever we release any data tricks and other tech issues. Thanks very much for watching this video.